At 120 kelvins, a gas has a pressure of 2 atmospheric pressure. If the temperature increases to 360 kelvins, what will be the final pressure? So before we proceed guys, let's determine first what are the values of each variable in formula. So proceed. We have at 120 kelvins. So that will be our initial temperature. So let's put this 120 kelvins. Yan. Then proceed. A gas has a pressure of 2 atmospheric pressure. That will be initial pressure. So 2 atmospheric pressure. Let's put an equal. So if the temperature increases to 360 kelvins, that is final temperature. Here. What will be the final pressure? So let's copy the variable P2. So to proceed, let's cross multiply guys. Cross multiply. So 3 2 times 360 equals, cross multiply again, 120 times P2. So to isolate this guys, to isolate P2, let's divide both sides by 120. Divide 120. Cancel out, cancel out. This is our equation, final equation. So let's rewrite this so that you will not confuse. Let's rewrite. Let's move this P2 or variable in the right side. So that's gonna be our final equation. So let's calculate this guys. So 2 times 360 will be 720. Yan. Multiply. Then divided by 120. So 720 divided by 120 will be 6. So our answer is 6 atmospheric pressure. And that is our final answer for this question guys.